Welcome to the Big Braid Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from Reservation Somewhere. Taking a look at BTC and the rest of the market, coming to you live on this Wednesday night. Hope everybody's making it through the week just fine. It's been a long week already. A lot of stuff going on in the market. Here we are down to that lower price section like we knew we'd be, like we've been waiting for. So here we are, just above that 786 at 20,853. Got my eyes on the 17,782, especially when we're getting some word of some higher interest rate hikes, especially coming from the Fed. How many times we've heard that come up, and how much dippy action do we get during that time? So raising it up again could possibly get down to a lower level again, as you could tell if we go out to this year to date. We get the year to date coming up, and we had this interest rate hikes, boom, and then it's like just been forming that bear flag there, and that creepy crawly action to the upside. But if they're long-term buyers are buying up, and we're still sitting here around the floor at a lower price action, definitely could see some sideways action over time, because the long-term buyers are actually still out there buying. A lot of the short-term sellers are just, there's a lot of fear in the market. So all the people that are down in this area here, definitely holding the line. Are they going to hold it around that 20,000 like I've been talking about? It's been, I've been hoping for this. I got this out there as far as wishful thinking, which is, this area would just be, I would definitely be holding forever down there. I'd be like diamond hands all day. But if I can get that price action today, I would be all over that. I'm out here up late nights thinking about it, dreaming about it, that low price action, that 8 to 12,000. That would be some awesome price action right there. And especially with all the price prediction that's going with BTC as far as seeing some movement to the upside. Is it going to move up to the upside, or, are we going to see some lower price action over time? Is there going to be something better that's going to come out than BTC? Those are always questions that you definitely got to keep in mind. So you always got to DYOR, do your own research. And you always remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only. And you always got to do what's right for you. So I definitely got my eyes on that 786 at 20,853. If we do lose that price action, got my eyes on the 17,782. As far as the last few run-ups here, when we've been, talking about that Fed, the Fed interest rate hikes that's been going up, we've been getting a little bit of a short squeeze up to the upside. I got my eyes on a few areas of interest here. So we've been, seeing a few coins that have been making that short squeeze back up to the upside just before we had that come back down to the downside. So if we're setting up with that bear market scenario, we definitely could start making some moves up towards this 618 at 23,264 and start making our way back down. Come back down and retest that 786 at 20,853. And then if the recession definitely takes place, dropping down to some lower price action where we got to keep an eye on that 17,782. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on this scenario here. If that, if we just lose that support here, we could definitely get some capitulation down to the side as well, which is definitely on the table as well. But as far as BTC goes, I still lurking for this bearish butterfly scenario at minimum. But as far as getting some bullish action to the upside, we got to get back over that 618 at 23,264, make our way over that 24,957, and I got that breakout action at 32,624, and that extremely bullish action at 48,000. Once we start making some moves over to that 48,000, I'm definitely going to be feeling very, very comfortable, and definitely excited to see where we're going with that price action. So I'm definitely out here looking for that lower price action. I'm out here looking for this area down here. I'm out here ready to buy. I've been holding back. We've been talking about this since November, so I'm out here lurking for this low price action. Loving the accumulation over time on a lot of the projects across the board. We've had stocks on sale. We've had crypto on sale, and the sales have just been amazing. Accumulation has been great. A lot of people see tragedy. I definitely see some opportunity out here. So I'm out here loving the accumulation. I'm all buckled in and ready to go, but I'm also ready to buy at some all-time lows. So definitely going to keep your eyes out for that. So here we are. Could be possible wishful thinking, and you always remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So we got APE still getting some love out there, getting up to that 560 area. NCT, we got UNFI getting a little bit of BLZ up 4%. definitely, we all knew that was going to go. So I hope y'all got some of that low bottom price action, because BLZ has just been straight moving. We got a few things moving out there. We got Farm up on 1%, XYO. What else we got? CJC's up 13%, getting some buy-ins there. I'm loving that price action. I was loving it back, when we had that sundial at 75 cents and below. Oh my God, the accumulation's wonderful. So definitely excited to see where we're going with that, especially if they get some federal legalization. It's going to be amazing. M1A coming on sale at $7.98. We got Wi-Fi 1019, AVT on sale at $138. I'm out here looking for that dollar. We got JUP at 0.0115, EYP 19 cents, and we got AMC at 958, APE Entertainment 713. So we got price action across the board, and I'm definitely excited to see where we're going with this price action. I'm out here lurking, but I'm also ready to buy, like I said. So we're definitely at the area of support. Are we going to get that 17,782? That just remains to be seen. So you definitely got to keep an eye on the price action, keep an eye on that media, and you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So you always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night. Mr. Big Braids is signing out.